Hello guys, what is up? What is up? This is your host Vivek back again with the final episode of this series. So in this video tutorial, I will complete my .NET application. So we left up to here in our last video. So we have completed our business logic in the controller. Now just a matter of binding the data to the view. So let's go ahead to our source button. So we need to implement all our view right in the source button. So there is also refresh button. I will do that later on, but first let me create new object for that, instance object for I media manager I media manager media um, media manager equals to new media manager. So it's using controller. Oh, it's not media manager, iMedia, it's media manager implementation. So button search, we are here. This is a button refresh, button search. So here we need to get the name of the data grid view. Name is, let's change this name, data. So let's copy this name, paste it over here, and we first need to slice this here. Data so dot data source is equals to, copy the media manager from here and pass in the method name custom search, which is here the custom search. We're passing this method right in the view here. So it requires two parameters, uh, which is a director and genre. So this needs to be inputted by the user, so we'll pass the user input here, that is txt director dot text and txt genre dot text, the semicolon here. So this line will automatically look for empty field, either genre or director, because we have already checked the if statement here, so we don't need to do anything, we don't need to worry about all this right in the view. We have already did that in the logic. So this line will check all and just show up the data in the data source, which is by the name data, so in our case. So data, and it might also return null, so we also have to check that case. We can do that simply by using if statement. So it's media manager dot custom search, and we can pass in the txt director dot text and txt generate dot text. So if this returns null or empty, you can say, so in that case we need to show up a message box to user, message to user, is message box dot show, and we will give a message like no results, RESUL, results found, no result found. And we will again fill up the data source with all the media. So we can copy this line from here up to here, and in this case we want to get all the data, so view all media. I hope you guys understand where it's coming from. So let me say that again. So view all media is a method that is coming from implementation and interface. So it's here, so it's here, view all media. So it's pretty easy, and we do not require any parameter, so we can simply close it here. Expected semicolon here. So and after that if no result is found, then we will set the director and genre field to empty. We will empty of that fields which in which the text was entered by the user previously. So we can simply say director dot text is equals to empty. We can copy this for genre as well. txt genre to empty. So that's it for the source button. I will also go ahead and do implement the refresh button here, which is here. So refresh button, what we want to be done if we press the refresh button, we simply want to view all the media, in the data show, which is by the name data show, in the field. So we can simply copy and paste this line to view all the media, because view all media holds all the media. So I think all our field is implemented. Let's see if we left anything. Oh yeah, we left the logout. So for this we need login. We need to create the object of login form. New form equals to new login, and we want new form to show, and we want this form to hide, thus hide. So, and the last one is the exit button, I think. Yeah, the last one is exit button. So we can simply type in application dot exit right here, save it, and that's pretty much for it. I think we are all done. Let's go ahead and run it. I'll provide the correct username and password, user 1 2 3 4 login. Welcome user. When you hit refresh, yeah, shows up all the data here. You can see. Let's make a director search. Perfect. Shows up all the director. Let's hit refresh. It's showing all the data. And let's make a genre search by comedy. Perfect. Genre is also working perfect, and even the text field is clear here. As we hit the search, let's go ahead and make for both. Make the both search as once. Action, director, genre, and director both. Copy, paste, and hit search. See, the text is empty here, and it returns the search result. When it refresh, it shows all the books. We can even log out. This will send us to login screen, and the exit will terminate the application. Let's check both. We will first log out. Perfect. The login form appeared here. Let's log in again. Let's log this in. So it refresh. The book is showing. Let's exit. Perfect. Everything is working fine. That's it for this series, guys. I'm all done. So if you are stuck or you are not able to understand, or if you have any problem, then do let me know in the comment section below, or email me directly. Thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this series. Thank you for being here. Stay tuned for interesting tutorials in the future near. Thank you, guys.